What's up YouTube? Django31793 here doing a follow-up video number 2 of the complete walk around of my 2018 Camry XSE. Real quick, just summary. Last video I did a complete walk around of the outside. This one we're going to do a complete walk around of the interior. So here we go. As you can see, we have the red combination in here. Beautiful red seats. Oh, hold on, here comes the buddy with the Subi. Let's see if we'll rev it up. Guy always passes by. Anyways, okay, here we go. So what we have here is red combination with a little tweak to it as far as what I did with the inside. So as you can see, the first thing is this beautiful marinara red seats, 3 levels of heating, warm, hot, and really hot. And I went ahead and I got these custom beautiful carpets done online, factory match, seat diamond stitching. They go up to the sides, they go down, under, and around. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Took about a month for them to make. They shipped it to me. And I wanted WeatherTex, but I mean, man, this looks fly. I have the roof closed just because it's so hot right now. And yeah. I got this carbon fiber instrument up here. You come down, center console. Carbon fiber shift knob. You got the racing development right there. Driver's seat, as you can see, you got carbon fiber controls, lower steering wheel, and it just really looks really nice. Really, really nice. The door, I went ahead and I actually vinyl wrapped this door, carbon fiber, but it's not like this. See, this is like beautiful gloss carbon, the Camry. But see, this is more of just a sticker. But you wanna know what? I like it because A, everybody always fucking kicks my doors, and it protects it from you know, when your shoes hit it and everything like that. It's really smooth, no bubbles or anything. Looks really nice. These are actually the Toyota illumination. You can't see because it's daytime, but at night you could see it. You got the racing pedals. Everything's all, and you can really see that it gets all the way around, and even on the side of the seat. Really nice carbon fiber buttons. Now I want to zoom in close on this. You see carbon fiber. Anything I could get carbon fiber, I got. But this is actually one of my favorite parts. So as you can see, we got the carbon fiber. But we got these really nice paddle shifters. But this is one of my favorites. You can actually see that this right here is black titanium, and it wraps around all the way down to where the stop button is. And I really like that because I didn't want to do too much carbon fiber. They have this strip in carbon fiber. They have this strip in carbon fiber, and they have this. But you want to know what? You can't have too much. You gotta, you know, really know when to press the brakes on overdoing your car, because that, you know, that's what makes yay into nay. But I mean, as far as, you know, just sitting, it's really nice, comfortable shifters, glossy, shiny, and it just looks really, really nice. I got these because I'm always dropping my phone in between the seats. Just a little gap. That's all it is, just a little gap protector. And again, that's that carbon instrument right there. Looks really nice. Toyota. So, going here, we have, again, black titanium Camry. And then we have a rubber Toyota. So Toyota Camry. Yeah. Again, the back seat, carbon wrap. Oh, another thing you're gonna notice, all the cup holders from here, there, all around the car have these rubber anti-slip, anti-spill, and they're all in every crevice. This here, by the way, if you didn't know, this is a wireless, I believe, Qi charger right there. And when you put your phone on this, it actually will prevent it from sliding around again in there. So here we go. Brushed titanium, black rubber, and these seats are just kick ass. I'm only gonna do a brisk of here because I'm gonna show in my next video the sound system, but just so you could see, you got that beautiful diamond red stitching. It goes all the way back. These don't go up on the sides. I didn't want that. I just didn't want it to look too much. It's all about control. This is black titanium as well. These two actually came as a set. So we come here. Here we got the Camry, carbon fiber. Now, funny story about this. This actually didn't fit. As you can see, I got my one little screw right there. It's actually, you can't even really fucking tell that that's just a regular screw. It kind of looks like it's supposed to be there. Same thing with these guys down here. But I ordered this online. Apparently it was supposed to fit Camry V6 models only. Okay, fine. So we get it in, and down here, apparently, I don't know if it's the XLE or maybe the Avalons, I'm not really sure, but there is seat warmers for back here, and there's two buttons to for passenger and driver. Now, this Camry doesn't come with rear seat warmers, so this had like a bulge in it, and then when I went to go put this fucking thing on, it wouldn't fit. So I actually had to use a grinder, and I cut those two buttons out so this would fit flush against it, and then I had to use this screw and some PL liquid nails to keep it from fucking coming up. And then down here, since it was an ugly ass hole, I had an extra cover. This is actually the cup holder cover for the base models, where it just has a slot right here. So it actually worked in my favor, because then I just made it kind of like a custom fab little accent. So you can never tell there was a hole there, and it looks like it's supposed to be there. So I know a little much, a little weird, but you know, I like it. And then again, beautiful gloss carbon Camry flat. And you got the buttons down here. You can see that this carpet goes all around, gap filler, and of course gives the haters something to talk about. But this is an awesome interior. If you have any questions about where I got anything, oh yeah, just for the fuck of it. Carbon fiber, and this thing, which I had to wait like 2 months for. Carbon fiber and titanium hazard button. Just little things to make it look that much better. So, yeah, as I was saying, if you have any questions where I got anything, how I did everything, because I will tell you this, be careful what you get online, because it will say that it's a direct fit and it's not. We have to do custom fabbing. For example, these back things, these courtesy plates, they did not fit. I had to bend these and cut them with the angle grinder. And not only that, but see, I have one screw here and I have the other screw right here, which is actually also holding this, keeping this from flopping around. So when you're gonna buy something online for your car, definitely make sure, you know, you have a review on someone that's bought it before, and ask them, say, hey, did you have to do any custom fabbing with this? Did you have to do, you know, any cutting or gluing or screwing or anything like that? Because, you know, you might have to. Anyways, this is the complete walk around of my interior. 18 Camry XSE V6. Like, subscribe, share, hate, and stay tuned, because my next video is going to be of my sound system. So tell me what you guys think.